So you have deleted or lost your data from your Xiaomi device and don't know what to do. Don't worry, in this video I'll teach you how to recover lost or deleted data from your Xiaomi device. Whether you have a backup or not, the following methods should be helpful to you. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Method 1. Recover deleted data from Xiaomi Cloud. Just like other smartphone brands, Xiaomi has a cloud storage service called Xiaomi Cloud. It's like a digital save where you can store your important stuff from your phone. If you accidentally delete something or switch to a new phone, you can get your stuff back from Xiaomi Cloud as long as you have made a backup before. It's like having a spare key for your digital life. First, visit Xiaomi Cloud and log into your Xiaomi account. Here you can search for the data that you want to back up or even view the data before restoring them. Method 2. Restore lost data from Google Drive. If you have a backup of your data on Google Drive of your Xiaomi device, then you can easily recover them. Visit drive.google.com and sign in to your account. Search for the data of files that are stored on your Google Drive and download the ones that were deleted from your Xiaomi device. Make sure to keep them safe on your computer or any other place for future use. Method 3. Using professional data recovery software. Using professional data recovery software, we can recover data from Xiaomi devices even without backup. And that piece of software is nothing but AnyRecover. AnyRecover supports recovering data from storage devices like SD cards, HDD, and SSD, and it supports recovering from more than 1,000 different file types or data types, including video, audio, document, etc. Along with that, Mac and iPhone recovery services make it the best data recovery software that is available on the internet. So check the video description to try this recovery tool to see if it works. And for a limited period of time, we have an exclusive YouTube discount handmade for you. After downloading and installing, run AnyRecover. Click on Android Recovery, then click on Recover Phone Data. Now connect your device and make sure to enable USB debugging mode. If you don't know how to do that, then please follow the on-screen instructions and click on Scan and select Full Scan. Follow the instructions and soon the scanning will begin. Alright, after the scanning is completed, select the data that you want to recover, click on Recover to PC, and finally click on Recover. Don't forget to find the YouTube discount code on the channel homepage, which is nothing but ARYT0110 to receive a 10% discount on your license. On the buy page, the lifetime upgrades are a big deal, so I'll apply it. Paste the code on this area and get 2 discounts. Remember that this is a limited time discount, so make sure you act fast. Well, by following these methods, you can restore or get back your lost and deleted files from your Xiaomi device. If you face any issue or problem, then do let us know in the comment box down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe.